Not here.
Not quite. Not quite. Today we're on campus with a stack of Welsh words and we're asking students what they mean. Let's see how many they get right. So how much Welsh do you guys think you know?
0.
I mean, I've been taught it, but I'm not brilliant. I'm not brilliant.
Out of 10, like a 1.
What do you think Prynhawn Da means?
Oh my god, I know this. I do know this. This is actually bugging me now. Fernanda. Is it just, oh, good evening. Good afternoon, yeah.
What do you think diolch means?
Thank you.
Yes. Hwyl fawr.
See, these words are looking familiar. Hello.
It means goodbye. What do you think no star means?
Good night.
Yes.
I know that
What do you think croissant means? You see it a lot, like around campus.
Yeah.
Is it a hub?
No.
We're gonna go hello.
Begins with a W, I think.
Welcome.
Yeah.
That's what we're in Tesco.
This is a challenge. Do you want to have a turn at pronouncing it first?
What's called a
Yeah, that's so good. That's literally perfect. So what do you think it means?
Please.
Yes. Such a long-winded word for such a short thing. Hwyl fawr?
Goodbye.
Yes. Could you say this word?
Oh, that's hello, right?
Hello, yeah. Shwmae, yeah. Hello, how are you? Yeah.
I'm gonna go, no thank you.
Good evening.
Tried my best.